Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel. I am Judy and this is my first ever voice cover video on my channel and I'm hell nervous. So basically it's a unboxing video. So let's get started. So I have got a resin and hardener bottle. It's a 255 gram and 75 gram and it 3:1 or high. Next I have got some spherical flags or glitters. First I have got two flags, one golden and silver color. Haru hoy but bahut dhuniya hoy. Next I have got some sparkle golden and silver and pink color. Eto basically resin to shine koribor karone diya hoy, bhal lage dekhibole. And some more glitters. I will recommend you guys, if you are thinking of doing resin art and if you are beginner, this kit is definitely must buy. This is really very good as a beginner, and I'm also beginner, so I currently my kit first order korichilo. And these are some molds. Eto tea coaster molds hoy, bahut horu hoy, but as a frame hisabe use koribo pari. And next one is very cute. I'm so excited. Moi yate earring banam bhabisu. And the next one yate olop dangor hoy, but yate bhabisu locket banam. And the next one etu olop dangor hoy, yate bhabisu keychain banam. And I have got 8 wooden stick, also cups. Horu hoy cup to, but yate A and B boli resin and hardener A and B boli likha ase quantity to bahut dhuniya hoy. And next one I have got 5 pigment. Trust me guys, I'm really impressed. I'm really very impressed. I'm really happy that my investment for this kit is really worth. So the next one, some casings and some earring hooks and gloves. Gloves is necessary. Apuni pindhiboi lagibo jodi resin art kore. Overall unboxing product ni to bahut bhale lagile mor. Apnaloke janabo comment kori kenika pale. So keep watching, stay tuned and keep supporting guys. And bye guys, see you in the next video.